the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy.
What's up, guys? So showed up to our first job, small tile job, very dirty, as you can tell, but we're gonna get it clean. I'm gonna do a little test. I'm gonna go ahead and use my normal carpet details double dilution. That's what I do for tile. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use a real popular solution that everybody's using out there. And it's not to say that that solution is any worse than what I'm using or anything like that. I'm just saying the product I use is just as good, right? So yeah, we all know that there's some good products out there. So stay tuned. All right, so that's the really popular brand. It works great. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray the rest of the areas with my carpet details. Alright, so this is the high pH stuff right there. This is our 8.1 pH stuff. Making sure I do a real good rinse in this high pH area, because I don't want people to think that I was like doing a weak rinse on the high pH and doing a thorough rinse on the carpet details. You know, that isn't going to do anybody any good. Cheating. So yeah, real good rinse in this area. You know, I use this to go underneath the appliances, underneath the cabinets and stuff like that when they're not high. I love this tool for bathrooms and going around the toilets, and I mean, man, it's great. It's a great investment. As you can tell, I'm going underneath the refrigerator there. So I don't use high pH products when I clean tile or anything really. For carpet cleaning, I may boost here and there, but generally I stay away from high pH products on tile cleaning, especially in residential, because I have to worry about overspray, right? I'm going there, I'm spraying. I like pre-spraying it down. I won't have to mop it down or use a flat mop. You know, I do that if I have to, but with the carpet details 8.1 pH, I don't have to worry about overspray on these cabinets and stripping paint off or doing weird things to the stainless, because it will, you know. You really, if you're using high pH products in residential, you'll notice a lot of guys are taping off or putting plastic all around the cabinets and stuff like that. Well, that's just kind of a lot of time consumed there, and it's not necessary for me because of this product. All right, now I know that spinner is filthy, and trust me, when I pulled it out of the van, I thought, oh man, this looks horrible. But I got them moving, and you know, hey. Anyway, next time I film, it'll be nice and cleaned up again. So it's really important for me to have products that are very effective, but at the same time safe. You know, I don't want to pay for people's property because I damaged it, because I was trying to speed up the process and doing it recklessly. So, now I'm not saying guys using high pH products are reckless, because they're probably taping up the areas where they're spraying, or they're being very careful, and I understand that. But being productive, you know, it's a formula, you know. It's a formula. It's having products that can do a good job, but yet do a quick job. You can have both. You're just gonna have to research in this business. And if you're like me, you're always searching for something.
So I'm letting this dry, and then we're going to seal it. But it's always dark when it's wet. And this grout especially, it's a gray, so it's going to take some time to get fully dry. Tomorrow they'll see the results. So I like to get an area dry, or close to dry, before we actually lay the sealer down. That way the customer can see, you know, what to expect, or close to what to expect. So this is the area we did the high pH. That over there, that's bleach they were using. That was like that at the beginning. So I think they were cleaning it out with bleach or something over there. But this is the area here that we clean with a high pH, and this is the area that we clean with a neutral pH, or 8.1 pH. Cover details is what I use, so you can tell there's no difference. No difference. The only thing I do with the 8.1 pH product is double dilute it. So instead of 2 scoops, I put 4 scoops for top, and it just it cleans amazing. So as you can tell, we did that area. As you can tell, it's about the same. So it's dark. So hopefully before I leave, I can get a little bit of closer results. It's drying up over here already. We can move around the fans. And this is what I just finished up, so you can tell it's dark. Alright, stay tuned. All right, I'll seal it up, give it about a half hour or so before they can walk on it. And so as you can tell, it turned out really good. When it dries fully tomorrow, you'll be able to see the total results in it. That grout's gonna lighten up. So I came here initially and did a test on a couple areas in there, and when it dried up, they were happy with the results. So
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for